Whose shoes are those, Sam?
Alex. Pew.
P.U.?
Pew. S-U-P-U.
Can you sing My Country?
My country is so pretty. No, let me see.
You're fine. What do you have in your hand, Sam? Pop-Tart?
Yeah.
Do you like Pop-Tarts? Did you like the fireworks? Did you like... They're in the living room.
Oh,
Did you like the fireworks last night, Sam?
yes.
What did you do for fireworks? You just fall? What did you do with the fireworks? Did you cover your ears? How'd you cover them? And you said too loud. Did you fall asleep with the fireworks? Are you gonna eat that Pop-Tart? Should we go in the kitchen so you can eat it?
My food. Go inside, Mommy.
You have jammies on.
Okay.
Go get dressed?
My
What about Oh Beautiful? What about Grand Old Flag? What about ABCs? Where are you going? Where are you going?
My
What are you doing? Are you supposed to be doing that? Okay, bye-bye, Sammy. Say bye.
Bye-bye, Sammy.
No, say bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Can you blow me a kiss? Oh, thank you.
Mommy, see it, Mommy.
Okay.